What can I do if I accidentally delete important notifications on my iPhone?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll discuss what you can do if you accidentally delete important notifications on your iPhone. We all know how notifications can provide us with valuable information, so losing them can be frustrating. But don't worry, I'm here to help you out.
Check the notification center.
If you've accidentally deleted an important notification, the first thing you should do is check the notification center. To access the notification center, simply swipe down from the top edge of your iPhone screen. Here, you'll find a chronological list of all your notifications. Look through the list carefully to see if the deleted notification is still present. If you find it, you can tap on it to open the corresponding app or take any necessary actions.
Check the app settings.
If you can't find the deleted notification in the notification center, you should check the settings of the app related to the notification. Some apps have specific settings that allow you to review past notifications or enable a history log. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, and find the app in question. Tap on it, and you may find an option to view past notifications or enable a feature that logs your notifications. If such an option exists, make sure to turn it on for future reference. However, keep in mind that enabling this feature after the notification is deleted won't recover the specific notification you're looking for.
Restore from iCloud or iTunes backup.
If you've backed up your iPhone using iCloud or iTunes, restoring your device from a backup may recover the deleted notifications. However, this method will revert your device to the state it was in when the backup was created. So, if you've made significant changes since the backup, they will be lost. To restore from an iCloud backup, go to the Settings app, tap on your name at the top, select iCloud, and then choose Manage Storage, greater than Backups. Make sure a recent backup exists, and if so, you can initiate the restore process from there. To restore from an iTunes backup, you'll need to connect your iPhone to a computer with iTunes installed. Open iTunes, select your device, and navigate to the Summary tab. From there, you can choose to restore your iPhone from a backup. Remember to carefully follow the on-screen instructions during the restoration process and ensure you have a recent backup that includes the deleted notification.
Contact app support or check online resources.
If none of the above methods work or you don't have a backup available, consider reaching out to the support team of the app related to the deleted notification. They may be able to assist you in recovering the specific information or provide alternative solutions. Additionally, you can search online resources such as the app's official website, user forums, or community support channels. Other users may have encountered a similar issue and found workarounds or solutions that could help you. That wraps up our video on what to do if you accidentally delete important notifications on your iPhone. Remember to check the notification center first, then explore the app settings for any specific notification history options. If necessary, try restoring from an iCloud or iTunes backup, and if all else fails, contact the app support team or search online resources. I hope this information was helpful to you, and I wish you the best of luck in recovering those important notifications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.